Welcome back, sixth graders. We are on day 3. It is Thursday. We are almost done with our first week of sixth grade. Crazy. So let's see what our task is today. We're going to go to that slideshow and we're going to look at Thursday, 9-10. Guiding question: how can we write a focused letter? Learning goal. Our goal is to think about our present selves, goals for the sixth grade, and goals for the future by writing a letter to ourselves as seventh graders. So we're 3 days in. I want us to record where we are now, and at the end of the year, we're going to open them and see how much we have changed. Okay, so let's look at the directions. Letter to yourself as a seventh grader. Paragraph 1 is going to be hopefully 5 sentences. Describe yourself right now. Who are your friends? What are your hobbies? And what are your expectations for this school year? I know it's kind of a wonky school year, so what are you expecting? Do you think we're going to go back? Do you think we're not going to go back? How much are you going to learn? Paragraph 2, discuss your goals for the school year. So we still have classes. They are a little bit different, but what do you see in those classes? What grades do you want to get? What activities and sports are you involved in right now? I know that a lot of sports aren't happening right now, but are you involved in another activity outside of school, outside of Humboldt? And meeting new people is going to be really hard this year, but what are your expectations and goals for meeting new people this year? Are you going to come to office hours every Friday so you can meet a new friend? What are you going to do? Paragraph 3, future goals. What are your goals for the future beyond the 7th grade? So beyond next year. Career, college, high school. Where do you want to be? Do you want to travel? I want to know all of these things about you right now, so that way when you are done with the 6th grade, we can look back and see how much you've changed. So you're going to want to write your letter on a piece of paper or in a Google document. And if you don't know how to open a Google document, please let me know and I will help you. Then you're going to submit it on Schoology if you finished it today. If you need a little bit more time, no worries. Just turn it in by the end of the week. Here are some optional sentence starters if you get a little stuck. And here's an example. So if you're really having a hard time trying to figure out how to begin, what to even structure your sentences like, here is a good example. So, dear, and you're going to put your name. As a 7th grader, it is the 3rd day of the 6th grade. My friends are blank. My best friend is, I like to. For fun, I do this. I expect the school year to be blah, blah. I think we will. So you're going to answer all of those questions in this order if you don't know where to start. If you would rather do your own thing and do free form, that's cool too, okay? Just describe as much as you can about who you are right now. Then we're going to go back to Schoology. And in case you forgot what your task is, I wrote it here too. You'd be surprised at how much you changed. So this is a really fun activity. A lot of students get it back at the end of the year and they're like, what? I was friends with that person? Oh, I don't even like doing that anymore. It's kind of fun. And then you are going to submit your letter. So you're going to click on this. Again, it's going to look a little bit different because you're on an iPad. But you are going to submit your letter. I will not read them because it's not addressed to me. And I will save it for you until hopefully we're together in the spring, and then you can look back on how you started the 6th grade. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow.